Hey guys, this is Akash and you are watching Technology the Killer. So guys, in today's video series I am going to tell you about that how we can write our program of Java Substring in hackerrank solutions. So guys, before starting this, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed it, so first of all subscribe it, hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from my YouTube channel. So let's start now. So first we will go to our browser. So I have opened here already, and now I will search here hackerrank.com, and as I have already logged in the account, so if you are not, then you can. And I am going to our practice session, and it is going to open here, and now you can see that there is a problem of Java substring. So now we have to find that how we can do it and what the question is saying. So it is saying that given a string s and two indices start and end, there is a 2 point, which is first one is a start and second one is a end. So we have to here print a substring and consisting of all characters in the inclusive range from start to end -1, and so the last part will be minus of 1, and you have to find a string class and string method help in completing this challenge. So, and the first line contains a single string denoting s, and the second line contains two space separated integers denoting the respective values of start and. So as you can see here that in the first line we are storing the string, and in the two second lines we are storing only a integer value. So you can see here also that it is a sample input, and as we will type here hello world, then it is giving condition that we have to only get the output as a 3 to 7, means you can see here that 3 to 7. So as the end -1 is here, so it loop will be run till -1. So we will simply write here our code system dot out dot println, and we will write here our string s dom dot substring, and we will write here start point and end point, and it is only one line of code, and we will simply run here and we'll wait for the output. And now I have gotten my output. So as you can see that in a one line code we can solve this problem, and we will submit this code and we'll see how many test cases are success. So as you can see here that all the test cases are successful. So guys, if you liked the video, so thumbs up and do your valuable comment, and so that we can get motivated for the next video, and we'll keep uploading videos. Thanks for watching.